To begin, effortlessly import your step files directly. Simply select your machine. The thickness and material will be recognized automatically if they are assigned. This pre-configuration streamlines your workflow, ensuring accuracy from the start. Easily browse and select multiple step files from your computer. Our software simplifies batch imports efficiently, saving you valuable time. The software instantly displays both the 3D part and its flat pattern. You can easily adjust the material type and bend method, including the K-factor, for precise calculations. Gain precise control over your flat patterns by defining specific contour types. Easily switch the reference contours for bend indications to marking lines when needed. This clarity helps identify bending positions and prevents mistakes in your production process. Keep your projects organized and easily identifiable by updating part names. This crucial step ensures clear communication throughout your manufacturing process, reducing errors. Efficiently review multiple parts by simply selecting them from the list. The system instantly displays each component's unique 3D model and corresponding flat pattern. This allows for quick validation, saving valuable time. This feature allows you to modify the quantity of parts and change rotation and mirroring options. This enables the software to find the best orientation on the sheet, significantly maximizing material utilization and reducing waste effectively. The software automatically recognizes the thickness and material if assigned in the step file. Once configured, click Save and Add to commit parts to your database and nesting list. Confirm opening them directly, and your components are instantly ready for seamless production. To start nesting, access the sheet library and select the ideal sheet. Specify the material and thickness to match your production needs, optimizing material utilization. Confirm your chosen sheet's material and thickness settings to finalize the setup. Then, drag your first part onto the sheet and effortlessly use the array function to create multiple copies rapidly, saving significant manual placement time. Optimize material usage by intelligently rotating and flipping parts for the most efficient nesting layout possible. This dynamic adjustment maximizes the number of parts on each sheet, directly reducing waste and lowering production costs significantly. Now, let's explore importing an entire assembly as a single step file. This powerful capability allows you to bring in complex, multi-component designs seamlessly, with the software intelligently recognizing each individual part within the assembly for efficient processing. The imported assembly instantly displays in an exploded view, showcasing all components clearly. Each part's flat pattern is automatically generated, providing a complete overview. Effortlessly switch between different parts in the assembly list. As you navigate, the 3D model and flat pattern instantly update, allowing quick visual inspection and efficient review of each component. This dynamic capability streamlines your validation process. Access Make Parts settings to fully modify the preset cutting parameters, including specific lead-in and lead-out options. This fine-tunes your cut quality and optimizes machine performance for every part, ensuring precision for successful production. During the import process, the system identifies and displays warnings for duplicate part names. This early detection helps you quickly address potential problems, preventing data conflicts and errors later in the workflow, ensuring smooth operations. Easily resolve duplicate part name conflicts by renaming affected components. Ensuring each part has a unique identifier maintains data integrity, allowing smooth, error-free processing throughout your workflow, minimizing interruptions efficiently. With all conflicts resolved, click Make Parts and confirm the import. All assembly components are now successfully added to the database, instantly ready for nesting and production. Finally, observe the complete list of all imported assembly parts in your library. Each component is fully prepared for sheet metal processing and nesting, completing your import workflow. You are now ready to tackle complex projects with confidence and efficiency.